Welcome to Regular Achievers Educational Limited, your trusted support for brain-friendly and input learning. Hello, little mathematicians. Today we are solving subtraction word problems. Subtraction means taking away, removing, or finding how many are left. You have clue words like left, remaining, take away, minus. Let's look at the following example. There are 9 balloons, 4 flew away. How many are left? First step, identify the numbers in the question. Have 9 and 4. Then you take away 4 from 9. 9 minus 4, which equals 5. 5 balloons are remaining. Second question. Peter has 12 biscuits. He eats 7. How many are left? Identify the two numbers in the question. 12 and 7. 12 take away 7 equal 5. Here are tips to note when solving word problems. Read the problem. 2. Identify the numbers. 3. Look for subtraction words like minus, take away, left. 4. Use fingers, objects, or number lines to solve the problem. Take away, then say the answer. Now it's your turn. You have 10 apples. You gave your friend 3. How many do you have left? Ten take away 3. You have 7 apples left. Correct. There are 15 stickers. You use 5. How many do you have remaining? 15 take away 5. Yes, 10. You have 10 stickers left. Question 3. A class has 20 books. Students borrowed 8. How many are left? Yes, 20 take away 8, which is 12. Okay, there are 25 cookies in the cookie jar. I shared 10 amongst my friends. How many do we have left? Of course, 25 take away 10, which is 15. Great work subtracting. Okay, you can subtract monies when you spend monies. You can subtract from your toys, cookies, whichever thing you like. You have mastered subtraction word problems. Keep practicing daily and enjoy math with regular achievers, which is way more fun, simple, and smart. Until next class, bye.